Struggling to sell your Notion templates because no one finds them? You are not alone. Most creators overlook product descriptions completely. But the truth is this: your description is what drives the click and the sale. Recent studies show that over 87% of buyers read descriptions before purchasing, and products with SEO-friendly copy appear in twice as many search results. So what does SEO-friendly mean? It means your description includes the keywords people actually type, and it clearly explains what the product is and why it helps. Let me show you how to write one in minutes using AI. Step 1. Start with the result, not the feature. Instead of saying digital planner template, say plan your day in 5 minutes, because people buy outcomes, not tools. Step 2. Mention the problem it solves. This helps Google rank you and shows the buyer you understand them. Example: tired of forgetting tasks? This Notion template keeps you on track. Now it feels personal. It speaks to a need. Step 3. Add searchable keywords naturally. Words like Notion Daily Planner, Notion Productivity, or Template for Creators. These help your listing appear when people search on Etsy, Gumroad, or Google. Step 4. Use bullets or short lines for scannability. Nobody reads walls of text. Make the benefits easy to skim. Bonus tip: use AI Creator Max to generate all this in one click. It has a product description tool designed for digital creators like you. Just tell it what your Notion template does and who it is for, and it writes an SEO-ready description that actually sounds human. Now your listing attracts traffic, builds trust, and increases conversions. Like this video if that helped, and leave a comment if you want a breakdown for your niche. We have a full playlist that helps creators write faster and sell better. And when you are ready to create your own optimized description, visit AICreatorMax.com and use the product description tool.